So the bill for her dinner for 4 friends at Setup Restaurant is shown below. This is the bill. A service charge of 10% was charged before a GST of 7% is added. Alright, so the service charge was included first, and then only the the GST was calculated. So part A is asking how much must each of the 4 friends pay for his dinner if they share the cost equally. Round off your answer to the nearest dollar. So we see that the total payable amount, which is the amount that they paid in the end after all the charges and taxes, is $294.25. So since they are sharing the cost equally, part A is fairly simple. It will be $294.25 dividing by 4 for them to share the cost equally. This will give us $73.56, but they are asking for our answer to the nearest dollar, so we have to round it off. Since it is 0.5, so we'll round it up into our answer of $74 for part A. Alright, now for part B, the price of the crab and some information are missing from the bill. What was the price of the 2 crabs without the service charge and the GST? So they're asking for the price of 2 crabs, which is over here, and the price after the service charge and the GST is not given as well, so we want to find that. So the total payable price we know was after the GST and service charge was calculated, so we can work backwards to find out the original price of all these food before the service charge and GST. So we know that $294.25 is after the GST, which was 7%, so then it will be 107%, right? Because GST was an additional 7%. So we can find 1% by taking $294.25 dividing by 107. That will give us $2.75. So we can find 100% by taking 2.75 multiplying by 100, giving us $275 before the GST. Alright, so this part takes care of the GST. Since the GST was added last, we do the GST first. Next, we go and find the service charge. So before the service charge was applied, we had to pay, after the service charge was applied, we had to pay $275. Alright, since the service charge was 10%, then this would be 110% of the original price. So from here, we can find 10% by dividing by 11. Alright, so 275 dividing by 11 will give us $25. Then we can find 100% by taking 25 multiplying by 10. Since 10 multiplying by 10 gives us 100. So from here we can see that it is $250 before the service charge. Alright, so this part takes care of the service charge. So we had to pay $250 before the service charge. Now to find the price of the crabs, the 2 crabs, we have to add up all the other purchases and then subtract it off from the total amount that we had to pay. So to add these all up, that will be $120 plus $14.80 from the healthy drinks, $8 from the bun, $60 from the abalone, $32 from the fish, and then $12 from the vegetable and $14 from the meat. So this gives a total of $142 on the other dishes. So to find the remaining amount of money that was paid for the crabs, that will be the total of $250, subtracting off the amount of money paid for the other food, $142, giving us our answer of $108 for both crabs. Since they are not asking for price of 1 crab, they're asking for the price of 2 crabs, so we don't have to divide by 2. So that's our answer, $108.